This is Sri Lanka speaking from my national capital. Here's today's news. Kandy has been destroyed by a nuclear bomb. Evacuate now. Stand by for a message from my old friend named the United Nations.
This is a broadcast of the Global Emergency Warning System. Please stand by. This is a emergency warning. The following events are happening. Maine and Massachusetts, ice storms. California and Russia, forest fires and heat wave. Finland, Sweden and Iceland, sea level rise. Argentina, Japan and Australia, water emergencies. Maine and Massachusetts, ice storm warnings. 3 ice storms have formed in Maine and Massachusetts. The cities affected are Boston, Augusta, and Lexington. California and Russia, forest fires and heat waves. California, a wildfire has burned down the following places in Los Angeles: the U.S. Bank Tower, the Hollywood sign, Walt Disney Concert Hall, and the TCL Chinese Theater. Russia, a wildfire has hit the Moscow area. An urban firestorm is hitting Moscow. Finland, Sweden, and Iceland, sea level rise. Finland and Sweden, Helsinki, and Stockholm have sunk into the ocean, and so have many other cities. Iceland, Reykjavik have also been sunk. Argentina, Japan, and Australia, water emergencies. Australia and Japan, water rationing is in effect for the following cities. In Japan, Tokyo, Sapporo, Osaka, Hiroshima, and Nagasaki. In Australia, Sydney, Melbourne, Perth, and Hobart. Argentina, water rationing is in effect for the following cities: Buenos Aires, Salta, Shea, Mendoza, San Salvador de Jujuy, and Santa Teresa. Water rationing means that water providers will reduce the flow. When the daily allowance is used, the flow will stop until the next day. Heavy penalties apply for anyone stealing water.
Emergency, 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 emergency. This is an emergency warning. A militia group called the California Girls are attempting to overthrow the Australian government. Please. This is an emergency warning. This building is under attack by the California Girls. Emergency broadcasts may fail. Please tune to.
The California Girls. The government of Australia has fallen. Join the California Girls so you can be one of us and be a California Girls. We will build communities in all pink. Join us.
California girl base is under attack by the Red Army. We will win. Flee back to Russian air. Straight from the California Girls today.
The Sioux tribe shall reinvade all of their former lands. All of Wyoming, Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota, and Montana shall become part of Sioux tribe for the rest of history, and all non-Indians get deported to California. Welcome to the Chilean Empire. Our rules are: no racism, no speaking of people except for word when the chicken is funny, or stupid little punk infinity BA community. Obey the rules, do not break the rules.
Bienvenido al Imperio chileno. Nuestras reglas son: no racismo, no hablar mal de las personas, excepto la palabra weón, que significa amigo, o estúpido pequeño punk, y finalmente ser una comunidad. Obedecer las reglas, no romper las reglas.